part 2 of rating my fidgets. So next are Alana's Live Tap Squishies. You can get these at like $5 below. And let me tell you, they're sticky. So shout out Lana Ray for making these. These are so sticky. Like, look at that. Oh my god, they're so sticky. I love the bow. Like, I honestly, think, these are, my favorite. These are so sticky. Like, it's hard for me to get them back in the bag. So they're so sticky. But, Lana, you did a good job on making these. Like, they're so sticky. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna rate these a 10 out of 10 because of the stickiness. They're, so sticky. I love it. So sticky. Next. I don't even know what to say. A bit flat. But I honestly really like it. It's so cool. It's just squishy. I love the water in this. Even though it gets dirty really easily and I don't know how. So yeah. Moving on. My dumpling. So this one's a fake, and I honestly don't care. And this one's a real one. But it doesn't have a face. So I don't know if it's fake or real. Anyway, so I'm gonna review this one. So I like this one a lot. And I also like this. I'm gonna give them a 9 out of 10. And then the last one is my Neato. I love it. So, and this one. So yeah, I rate these a 9. So that's it. Bye!